Y'all, we gotta put my top back on because it's raining.
This is raining.
Like it was all day, or whatever.
This is the hater. I was hoping the rain went away, but you know, it didn't. And yeah, so now we gotta put the top off.
They literally said all day.
We told her. It was not back on. It was gonna rain all day.
She was trying to keep her top off so hard. She was trying to go to the beach so hard. Like, keep my name.
I mean, it's been raining all day.
And it's told us. It's predicted it. Like,
Oh my God. So we spent 30 minutes this morning taking this top off.
And the weather was like beach.
Oh my God. Sad. Boo. And it's raining. I just got this wash. Look how clean it is. Let's appreciate how clean it is. We gotta.
everybody, weather, people.
All right, look out. There we go.
It's all ridiculous. Anyway, let me put this top back on.
Why Secure over there acting like an NPC?
Like a what? An NPC? Yes. Secure 3. I'm like, what? She is an NPC. She's idle right now.
Well, she's standing around like a.
She got lost.
Are you calibrated?
Waiting for somebody to interact with her.
We're about to go bowling. We're gonna have us a good time.
Where's my phone at? Anyway.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my God. Okay, I got it.
You okay? We good? Y'all, it has been a struggle trying to get to the bowling alley.
No, it hasn't. We just have to put the top back on.
Turn on your radio and give her the chord.
Sing it for him, girl.
Head northwest on South Atlantic Avenue toward Grant Avenue.
I love your outfit.
Thank you. Alright, we gotta get all these Jeeps. We gotta go through the side door real quick. Let's get our lane. Let's get in here, y'all. And we put our top back on, thank God. I need some lights. Look at this. I feel incomplete now because I don't have any lights. Aww. I get ducked! How cute! Oh my gosh.
Got a couple of them in there already.
So cute. Okay.
What we got?
We at LongHorn, y'all.
Well, they say hello.
Hello.
I know exactly that.
Hello. We're at LongHorn.
Time to eat.
Did you ever see that video before with them dancing?
Oh, it's recorded. Right first, y'all. Wait, it's recorded.
Alright, yeah, we scored it. Come on. Yeah. We start on the roadside. Good morning, guys. It is day two. And we still are in the Airbnb. We're cooking breakfast. We're trying to make it to the beach, but yesterday we didn't make it to the beach because it started raining because we was cooking breakfast all day till 2 o'clock, and now it's 12:42. 12:42. We trying to make it to the beach. We still cooking breakfast, as you can see. Maybe we'll make it to the beach today. The whole point of this trip. Maybe we'll make it to the beach.
Finally made it to the beach.
We made it to that beach.
They're over there. How did they get there? Stop.
Oh, thank you.
You have the colors right.
Thank you.
You better run that damn man over.
No, I think he was running from the side.
But you weren't looking.
Well, I don't know if he's running toward us. We got the.
She got a dub.
Yeah, you gotta. Thank you.
You getting all the ducks.
Thank you. Y'all, we made it to the beach. We're finally here. Look at this. Yeah, see? I thought we wasn't gonna make it because it was raining everywhere and all the beach ramps was closed, and so we had to find something that was open, and we finally made it to one that was open, and now we're here and we see the sun. Finally, it's, oh my gosh, it's been overcast all day.
Fucking the world, I was in my pants. My Uncle G told me that I had a chance, so then I popped out and did it again, and did it again, and did it again. I cannot respect them, I did it again, and I can't respect them like nobody is.
Yeah. Ice cream for ice cream! Daytona Beach! Woo woo woo! Legit. You was fighting for your life, huh?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Okay. Cheers! Oh, wait up. We want cheers? Cheers! You say, hold your watermelon. Hey guys! Say hello! Pink Jeep Kiki on YouTube. Gotta get the party started.